I'm Sadie. I'm from Denver, Colorado, originally from Wisconsin, which isn't very interesting. So sometimes when I'm dancing, people will say, expecting to hear, "Oh, where are you from?" They want to hear something exotic, somewhere from the Middle East, and I go, "Yes, I'm from somewhere far away in land and time." And then they say, "Where?" And I say, "Sheboygan, Wisconsin." I've been pretty much involved in some type of physical sports my whole life, whether it's gymnastics mostly, swimming, other forms of dance. So I really love movement and moving my body. And just started taking classes. My first introduction to belly dance was classes. I don't think that I actually ever even really saw a belly dancer before I took classes. It just sounded interesting. It just popped in my head and I said, belly dance. My first teachers were from Denver, Joy Nan and the late Phaedra Amira. They were really good teachers. They were both, very much strict on the technical part of the dance.